am making watermelon fudge. I have some white chocolate left over from another recipe, so I'm going to take this white chocolate and add it to it. Okay, now normally that's 1 package of almond bark with 2 cans of sweetened condensed milk, but because I used a little bit out of there, I'm going to do just shy of a full can of sweetened condensed milk, in case you're wondering. Okay, I'm gonna melt this and let it get all mixed together. Halfway through, I did about 30 seconds. I'm going to mix this so it doesn't burn.
This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. It's 25% off now.
Okay, my bowl's pretty hot, so I'm gonna let residual heat finish melting this. Might throw it in there one more time if it cools off, but get it done here. Okay, so then what I'm gonna need, now you could use green and pink candy melts if you want. You could do that. I am just going to use food coloring. I don't know why I didn't use the candy melts, because I actually have them on hand. That was really dumb. I should have just done that. Oh, I wasn't thinking. All right, I tore my parchment paper in half and I'm putting it in my pan here. Okay, it's starting to cool down. It's not quite melted, so let me do another 30 seconds. Okay, got that all melted. I'm gonna pour my first layer in another bowl. Okay, now this recipe's in our Dining on a Dime, volume 2. Now, we're going back to kindergarten, guys. Yellow and blue make green. Do y'all remember that? And there we go. A lovely green color. Oh my. I loved kindergarten. Did anybody else like kindergarten? Oh, that is perfect. Holy cow, couldn't have gotten more perfect than that. Gel food coloring, I will leave the link in the description below. Okay, oops, got a big mess here. Oops, and it has stuck to my countertop. It's fine. Okay, so there's my bottom layer. Oh! Oh, you guys gotta love me. There we go. Now I have an even bigger mess. Okay. Put that down. Perfect. Now we have our watermelon look. Now, I'm gonna look on Amazon and see if I can find oil-based watermelon extract. If I can find it, I'll link it in the description. But that's what I would use. Water-based might make your fudge seize up. Okay, well, we're gonna see. Man, this is a lot of fudge. So I should have used the pink colored candy melts. I don't know what I was thinking. Okay, I'm gonna pull out the big guns here. My red dye number 40, which probably won't be able to get very much longer. I'm sad. So this is water-based and it's not causing it to seize, so I think it might be okay. There we go. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay. now on the green, I'm going to pour the pink on top. All that green covered up. Then we're going to take mini chocolate chips. Are these the mini? Those aren't the mini. Okay, mini chocolate chips. Oops, that's probably too many. Then we're going to sprinkle them all over the top for our watermelon seeds. Oh my goodness, this is going to be too darn cute. Oops, got that one a little too much. So I wouldn't drop them on there. I would put like just one or two here. Oh, I bet this is gonna be so cute. Okay, we're gonna put this in the refrigerator, and then we are going to cut it. Go. Yay. Okay, now I have a confession to make. It's been a week since I made this, and the cocoa butter kind of separated a little bit, but that's okay. We sort of had a few meltdowns at our house. Air conditioners being blown, car accidents, just all kinds of gardening issues. Okay. So let me put this on the cutting board. So the top might be a little bit dried out, but we'll see. Okay, let's see. We got half and half and a third, and a third, and a third. Looking good. I have sons wondering if I need taste testers. Of course I do. Okay. So there. Ooh, that turned out cute. There is your watermelon fudge. Wow. Oh, I like that. I like that. I like that. Okay, you want to be a taste tester off camera?
Sure.
Okay.
Oh, wow, this is...
So this one is actually doesn't taste like watermelon, it just looks like watermelon. I didn't put the watermelon flavoring in. Okay. In the camera, do a thumbs up or a thumbs down or a sideways thumbs. You can only do a thumbs
Pretty good. Yeah. Those ones were really good.
It is very good, isn't it? It's like a creamy vanilla fudge.
Yeah.
Yay!
It is a little deceiving though because it looks like watermelon.
It does. You can add watermelon flavoring, I just didn't. I am making 2-ingredient fudge, but this one's going to be 3-ingredient for summer. I have my white chocolate chips in my favorite microwave bowl, my sweetened condensed milk. Now, I use just less because there's only 11 ounces. I use just less, like 1 tablespoon less of sweetened condensed milk. And then my fudge will set up better. Okay, we're gonna melt this in the microwave. Okay, the original recipe is in our Dining on a Dime volume. Oh, what am I doing? The original recipe is in our Dining on a Dime volume 1, but I forgot. I wasn't even making the recipe right. Doop-de-doop-de-doo. 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 There we go. All right. had a major fudge meltdown there. That is okay. I'm going to take my cookie mix and I'm going to add it all. Now they say add it all. I don't know, that just seems like a lot. So I think I'm just going to do half. Oh, 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 that is delicious. Holy macaroni. Delicious. Okay, then I got some sprinkles. And I'm going to sprinkle on top. I'm going to take the back of my measuring cup and just tap it in. Oh, that looks delicious. Okay. Going to put that in the fridge and let it set up and come back and cut it. Gonna loosen from the sides here. I know it was an adventurous pouring, I know, but I think it's gonna work. Now, of course, if you want thicker fudge, you can put it either in a loaf pan or you can put either in a loaf pan or double the batch. I think I'm gonna go from the back because of the sprinkles. All right, so let's see what it looks like. Ooh, okay, that is festive. All right, we'll grab Mike and have him do a taste test.
Okay, we have sugar cookie fudge.
Yum. All right.
Tastes like a sugar cookie.
Mmm, that's really good. Yes,
Yay!
very delicious.
Yay, yay, yay.
And it's pretty too.
More 2-ingredient fudge. Got my pan, my parchment paper. I have some graham crackers right here. I'm going to take the first of the graham crackers and spread them on the bottom. Then I'm going to take my bowl with chips. I prefer the mini ones because they melt quicker, but you don't have to. My sweetened condensed milk. Then my butter. And I'm going to melt all this together. Stir every 45 seconds or so until it is melted. Link my bowl in the description below. I absolutely love it. Okay. Then I'm going to take and put half on the bottom. Spread it around. And this doesn't have to be, you're kind of mixing your graham crackers in with your fudge, so it's not a big deal if you get some mixed in. Okay. And I'm going to take some marshmallows. Oops, didn't mean to do that. And sprinkle them in Yay. And then I'm going to take the rest of our fudge and spread it all around. Okay, and then I'm going to decorate the top with more marshmallows and graham crackers. And put them on top like that. And then we're going to put this in the fridge and let it sit up, and we will come back and cut it. Got my fudge. That is a s'more fudge. Yum. Now, I'm not sure if I let this sit long enough in the fridge. This feels slightly soft. All right, here we go. It's our pheasant. My son named him Frank. He actually started a whole TikTok thing with Frank. Frank is becoming quite the TikTok star. Okay. Oh, that looks delicious. We'll get Mike in here and taste test.
Okay, we have s'more fudge.
S'more fudge. Ooh.
Yes, because you'll want some more. I think we've been married for a little while.
Mmm.
All right, which neighbors get all of the food today?
This is really good.
Yeah.
It's funny because I was thinking a s'more, the middle is usually a little harder. So I was like, ooh, a nice surprise. It's all soft and fudgy.
This has got to be the best 2-ingredient fudge I've ever had.
It's the only 2-ingredient fudge you've ever had.
Well, that is true. But, you know, we don't have to tell anyone about that. No.